Welcome back to Graphic Island tutorial. Now let's do the page setup. Put those resolution, click on create. Now from the toolbar select this text tool and write the text here. Now from here change the font. So I'll be using here ethnocentric font. This is a free font, you can download it from Google search. Bring this text at the center and now drag the text and make it a little bit bigger in size. Now mark it and now rasterize this layer. So this is no more font now. Now select individually, do right click and make a copy. Similarly select this layer, now select this text, do right click and make duplicate. Now select the original one, now select this alphabet and now do right click and make a copy. So all three alphabets are separated now. Now delete this layer. Now select this one and change the color. Similarly change the color of G. Now by using this rectangular tool here, draw a rectangle. Up to here and now fill this rectangle with color. By using magic wand tool select the alphabet S. Now let's expand it and give offset here, click OK. Rasterize the rectangle. Now press delete on your keyboard and make a gap. Now Ctrl D and remove the selection. And by using pen tool here, draw a curve. By pressing Ctrl key, move the direction. And close the shape. Now fill this with color. Now rasterize this new shape. Now by using magic wand tool, do the selection. Select this lower object, press delete. Now select this one and delete it. By using rectangular tool here, draw a rectangle and fill this with color. Select them, do right click and merge the layer. Now you can use color. By using pen tool from here, draw a curve and match up with the curve of G. And from here to here, draw the curve. Now move the direction by pressing Ctrl key and close it. Now fill this with color. Now drag the layer of G and make duplicate. Similarly, drag the layer of D and make duplicate. Now select this one and rasterize it. Now select this and from here expand, give offset, click OK. Now select the G and press delete. Select D and press delete. Now Ctrl D. Now select this one and you can change the color. Similarly, change the color of G. Change the color of this. Now select this object. Use magic wand tool and do selection. And now select this purple object, press delete. Select this, press delete. Now Ctrl D and remove the selection. Select this purple object and do selection. And now duplicate it. Now select this one and delete. And here, by using pen tool, let's draw a curve from the bottom to top. Now move the direction by pressing Ctrl key. And make sure you are drawing the curve uniformly so that we can get a uniform shape. Close the shape and fill it with color. Now by using magic wand tool, do the selection. Now select this lower object and press delete. Ctrl D and remove the selection. Now delete this object. Now change the color. Now select this and change the color. Similarly, change the color for all the objects. Now by taking this text tool, write the text here. Do double click and edit the text. Now let's change the font and place it perfectly at the bottom. Drag it. Now mark it and rasterize this text and convert it to object. Now by using this, change the color. Now hide the background and make it transparent. Now open your mockup file. If you don't have this mockup file, then you can download it from the description. And now drag your transparent logo over the mockup file and place it here. Click on yes, OK, and drag it and make it a little bit bigger in size and place it perfectly at the center. Now mark it, unmark mockup background. Close the tab, click on yes, and now wait for the mockup to be applied. Now let's check the result. Hope you like this tutorial. Hope you learn how to design these types of logo on Photoshop. And here is the few famous logo available on this channel. You can click on channel icon and find all those video tutorials. You can support us by doing like, share and subscribe. Thank you.